This motorhome is the Silver Dream S641FB. It costs €156,000 and I'm going to show it to you very quickly. It's 640 centimeters long, 230 wide and 3 meters high. It has a side bed at the back, and I believe that there may well come a time in your life when a side bed is what you might need. The advantage of a side bed is that it's very easy to get in and out of. The disadvantage is that there's very little in the way of garage space, although this vehicle does have a little bit more than the average side bed motorhome has at the back. Here we've got a rather large shower, and if I get in, I'll even demonstrate how big it is for you. There's me in the mirror, and there's all this space around me. As you'd expect with a side bed layout, here next to that is there's a wardrobe, and underneath the wardrobe there are drawers. Here we have a kitchen with 3 burners, sink, drawers, storage below, and of course all the way around we have got these lockers, and at the back as well. Here at the semi-dinette, L-shaped lounge, large table, and of course the chairs at the front will come round. At the front up here we've got another bed, and this bed will come up and down as I shall now demonstrate. Above the bed there's a lot of space in the part above the cab, and there's a window up front so you can watch the stars at night. This is of course as well tower fridge and storage above it, and they can keep an eye on the electricity and water situation. I mentioned the garage. Well, this is it. The space in the garage isn't particularly large, but this vehicle has considerably more than you normally get in a vehicle of this nature. This vehicle is a monocoque construction all the way around, and that in large part explains the price. Monocoque has significant advantages over traditional design where the walls are all stuck together. Also notice the way the awning is in the recess in the body. So I've tried to do this very quickly. I've done a more detailed video, and for more details you might want to watch that one. This video was under 3 minutes. Thank you.